What is going on? Jose here, and in this video I want to talk to you today about a funnel strategy and how you should be thinking about your marketing in a funnel type way. So I'm sure you may or may not have heard about creating funnels, and there's a site company called ClickFunnels, and there's companies out there that just focus on creating funnels. And there's a reason for it. It's because it works. So I'm going to explain to you exactly, how you should be thinking about your marketing in all aspects of your marketing. You should be thinking about it as far as what part of the funnel does this piece of marketing fall into, and how is it going to help drive more people down your funnel into the final parts. So I'm going to break down the first four parts here. I'm going to tell you what they are. So the first one is awareness. And then you have consideration, conversion, and most importantly, retention. So let's go through each one by one. The first one is awareness. So this is where you want to let people know that you exist. You want to let potential prospects know that you have a solution for their problems. And there's different ways to do this. This is where you want to create videos, maybe downloadable PDFs that just educate and just let people know that, hey, if you have this problem, this is our solution for it. This is what it does. You put out blogs, social media posts. You just create a lot of content and put a lot of stuff out there just to create awareness, just to create some value, let people know that you are a solution for their problem. The second one is consideration. Now they're moving down the funnel and into the consideration phase, and this is where people start to consider you as a solution for their problem. Right, this is where you want to set yourself apart from the competition and let people know why you are better, right? What little things do you do that are that much better than the competition? Why should they choose you over the competition? And really start to get them to start considering and be like, oh, wow, all right, well, maybe that is a better solution for my problem. I never knew that even existed, right? You just move them down into this consideration phase to let them know that you are a better solution than what is currently out there, and that you can do it better. And you can do this using some comparison charts. The third one is conversion. So this is where you ask for the sale. This is where you finally get people to actually give you money. This is where they're ready to give you money because now they've already are aware of you and they're already starting to consider you. Now you just have to ask for the sale and convert them into an actual customer by asking them for the sale and letting them know, hey, here you go. This is what the offer is. This is what we do. This is how much it is. And now they can become a customer. After they become a customer, the next important thing is retention. This is where you want to keep customers. It is a lot cheaper to keep a customer than it is to acquire a new customer. So this is where you want to provide people with your existing customers with more information about your products and services, complementary products and services to what they already have, new features that have come out, new products that come out, whatever it may be that can help your customer with whatever their problem was, or add another solution to it. So you want to retain the customers by continuing to provide more value to them and letting them know that you have more solutions for additional problems and new features and things, and you're always innovating so that your competitor doesn't come out and sweep them from underneath you. So you want to make sure you're creating awareness. So anytime you're creating any of your marketing materials, whether that be your collateral, whether that be your Google Ads campaign, your Facebook ads, your social media posts, your blogs, you want to make sure that your content falls into this funnel type thinking, right? Are you creating awareness, right? Are you getting people to start to consider you, right? Is this really going to get them to be like, all right, this is really going to move the needle towards them making that decision to actually convert and become your actual customer? And then once they become your customer, now you need to start thinking about, all right, well, is this content and is this going to be able to help me retain my customer, right? How can I keep my customer? So email marketing is also really good for retaining your customers. A lot of businesses don't do that very well. So that's another idea for you for retention. All right, I hope you found that helpful. A little simple way to think about your marketing and how to structure it in a funnel type way so that you can actually drive more people to actually become more customers. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share this video if you feel that someone else can benefit from it. And if you ever have any questions, make sure to feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions and help you out in any way that I can. All right, talk to you next time. Peace.